Well, good morning, Homestead family. Today I thought we'd take a little tour of the drying area that we've been working on for the last couple, 3 weeks together. So I got the sketch to remind you what we started with, and we'll be right back after the break, and we'll go right over to them woods and take a look at it.
This video covers Vegetable Garden Drying Area, Part 4 of 4, Tour.
Well, welcome back. Here's the sketch I was talking about. Remember 2 or 3 weeks ago. I don't know, can you see that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Remember we talked about this, and we went out and we built the road and we cleared the area. We built a couple of drying racks and a work table. We've done that on part 1, 2, and 3 of our video series on this drying area. And today I thought you might want to see the whole thing put together. You've seen bits and fragments and pieces. You just haven't seen the finished product, I guess you could call it. So I thought we would just jump on the golf cart and run right into these woods right here behind me. This is where the drying area is, and of course the garden is right over here. So we can come right out of the garden, go right down this road, and go right into the drying area and work on curing our onions and our garlic and Nancy's hot peppers and all kinds of stuff that we want to dry out and cure for long-term storage. So let's jump on the golf cart and take a ride. Let's go. Well, here we are. We finally got it all set in place. This is the work table I was talking about. You watched us build this on one of the segments of this series. This is where we dress out the onions and the garlic or the hot peppers or whatever. It gives us plenty of working space, a lot of square footage on the top of this table that we can work from. And after we pull them out of the curing racks, it is really a nice little table, good and solid, and we're excited about having this. And you remember seeing us build the drying table itself, and you've seen this before. I unhooked the little latches, and I just simply roll up the tarp. Just set it right up here out of my way, and I have plenty of area in here to lay out my onions and my garlic. You can go ahead and take a close-up look at this. And one thing good about, after we get our onions and our garlic loaded in here, we simply close back the front canvas. I left the ends of the rack on both ends open deliberately so that we get that flow through ventilation coming through here. So when we have our garlics and onions laying up here, we have plenty of flow through ventilation. The wire mesh also adds to that ventilation as well. It's not a solid wood rack. That way they have airflow coming through the rack and transversely through the rack, and up and down through the rack. So there's plenty of airflow through the whole inside of the rack. Well, I would thank you for joining us today. Just taking a little quick look around of what the end product was of our drying area. We're really looking forward to getting this thing just loaded with onions and garlic. I can't wait to get that going. So it's not going to be much longer. But if you like our videos, please subscribe and be a part of our Homestead family. So until me and Nancy see you next time, always remember, by His hands we are fed. Give us, Lord, our daily bread. Amen.
Have a blessed day. Thank you for watching our videos. We love making them. If you like our videos, we ask you to partner with us in our mission by sharing our videos from YouTube and post from Facebook to all social medias. It really inspires and encourages us. Some great places to share is Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Please like if you like this video, subscribe, click the notification button so you never miss another video. Click below for products we used in the videos, and you could also partner with us without spending a penny. We welcome your encouraging comments, prayers, and questions. And thank you for watching and sharing our videos and posts. Have a blessed day.